But what we are doing in actual is what ang nilalagay namin sa annual investment plan is the programs that we think are doable in the next fiscal year. Unfortunately, during the approval of the AIP for 2026 was done in first quarter, if I'm not mistaken. There was a development between today from that approval, and upon following the instruction, there should be alignment between the annual investment plan and what we are trying to budget for the fiscal year. Kaya may mga reclassification, meron din tayong mga renewing. As for the new programs, we have tried to divide an existing program that keeps on expanding. For example, is the Ilocos Norte Youth Development Council. It's been expanding to cover the operations of not only the council, but also includes the kabataan and the local youth development officers. Kaya we have created new programs solely for these three different programs, which is supposed in practice noon was covered into one program.
So this new supplemental AIP, Mr. Chair, specifically for the Ilocos Norte Youth Development Office, dumaan po ba ito sa INYDO?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we're conducting every quarterly a meeting, and prior to budgeting season, we try to consult with them what needs to be prioritized aside from what we have been implementing in the past years, Mr. Chair.
So for this year, Mr. Chair, we have already full resolution for the plans of the INYDO.
As to the plan, Mr. Chair, as mentioned, all of these programs are already incorporated. But what we are doing when submitting AIP annually, ang nilalagay lang namin is not the full plan in the Ilocos Norte Youth Development Plan, but part of it na we think are doable, Mr. Chair.
Yes, I just don't get it, Mr. Chair. Why don't we include it on the plan itself so that we can, because like other departments, Mr. Chair, like Ilocos Norte, we have the Ilocos Norte Tourism Council. They will deliberate on the plans, and then after that, the supplemental will adopt the plan, and then it would be adopted at